Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and today I'm going to show you a trick that you can use to make or to add a pocket into your current agenda or your current journal. I always think that all that we do in our journal, our art, our agendas or diaries or anything we use, scrapbooking, junk journals, art journals, even glue books, represent what we live in the moment and what we're feeling in that moment. So talking about time and moments, in 2020 I went to this event that was virtual coaching in LA, and I have this beautiful agenda they gave to us, and with all the notes and annotations and ideas from that event. And I was looking at this amazing envelope here in the last page. It has even accordion here, so it means that it can open more. And I was saying, like, this is too bad. Why should I leave this here if I'm not using this agenda anymore? As this is so nice, I'm gonna try to grab the pattern, and so we can have an idea about how to do this. I can probably imitate this in a smaller scale. So what we have is a rectangle. I'm gonna try to do it here. So what we have is a rectangle. Let's say that that is the body of the envelope. It's going to be in a smaller size, all right? This is going to be like so. To have it, let's do a little bit more taller. Let's say we're going to fold it here. Okay, let me do this so you can do it at home. So you measure a rectangle, and then you go ahead and mark. That's the way you're going to fold it. So this is going to be that. In other words, you're going to fold it here. You see? And so this is the front, that is the front, right? This is the front part. And what I'm noticing in here is that it has flaps, a front inside, back inside. And what is cool about this is the back inside is narrower than the front, because this part is gonna make us do or make the accordion. And then I get rid of this part. So we're having one rectangle, a little bit of more of a half of it is narrower than the bottom part. Then we go here, and as you can see, I need to fold this as an accordion and leave a little flap to glue it on the back. That will be the closure of the envelope. So let's see if I can do that. I need to fold this in half, little lower than a half, because I need then the flap for the back. So that's the fold. And I need to imitate or to do the same with this side. So that's one accordion, and this is going to be the second accordion. I have my folding bone somewhere, but I'm not gonna stand up and look for it. So there, let me fold that. Let me fold the flap. All right, and then here I have my flap. Remember that this is a prototype. I will say this is my template. So that is the accordion. So the first one goes inside, and then the flap goes outside. Okay, that goes inside just like this, and this little flap goes outside. And I need to get rid of another piece. Well, better for me, because I get rid of the punch that I had there. So I got rid of that. Okay, goodbye. Now we are ready for the gluing part. Should I leave this as a template? Yes, I do, but I want to show it to you. So if we go here and we fold it, the accordion is in. So this, the first fold goes in, because it's exactly the accordion that goes in, and the second flap you fold out because that is the gluing part. Let me see. Okay, I'm on camera. Yes. Wait, I did it. I can't believe it. Yay. Okay, so this is it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. And then I have the accordion. Look, the accordion, and then I have the part I'm going to be gluing. There it is. I'm going to glue this part straight to my journal, and then I'm going to have the accordion and then this part like in here, so we can have the pocket here, you see. So this is all I have for today, and this was my first prototype. It's not double, but it's good to have it as a model, so we can do a tiny accordion with no flap and with nothing on. So this is just to glue this straight to your journal, and then you just open it and you have the accordion. So this will be an easy version. This is kind of a more complicated version, but both can work and may work in your journal. So thank you very much for being here, and remember, don't go away without hitting this little button here to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up, and of course leave me a comment and let me know if you're gonna try making this amazing accordion envelope. I'll see you soon in my next episode. Bye bye, and thanks for watching.